Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel Reviews First. Are you looking for the best OBD2 scanner 2026? Here are my full reviews of the best OBD2 scanner 2026. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. The Innova 5610 OBD2 bidirectional scan tool is a powerful diagnostic device designed to help you better understand your vehicle and solve problems with confidence. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY car enthusiast, this advanced scanner gives you the tools needed to identify issues quickly and accurately. With bidirectional control, the Innova 5610 allows you to send commands directly to your vehicle systems, helping you test components like fuel pumps, cooling fans, and more to confirm whether they are functioning properly. This scan tool reads and clears engine, ABS, SRS, and transmission codes, providing detailed explanations so you know exactly what the problem means. Its live data streaming and enhanced diagnostics allow you to monitor your vehicle's performance in real time, making troubleshooting easier and more precise. The Innova 5610 also includes wireless updates, ensuring the scanner stays current with the latest vehicle coverage and features. Compatible with a wide range of vehicles, it's an essential tool for anyone who wants to diagnose issues faster, reduce guesswork, and complete repairs with less hassle and greater accuracy. Number 2. The FOXWELL NT604 Elite OBD2 scanner is a powerful and user-friendly diagnostic tool designed to help car owners and professional mechanics quickly identify vehicle issues. Built to work with most cars and light trucks that support OBD2 protocols, this advanced scanner provides accurate diagnostics for key vehicle systems, including ABS, SRS airbag, transmission, and engine. With the NT604 Elite, users can easily read and clear trouble codes, view live data streams, and monitor the health of critical systems. The scanner helps detect problems early, saving time and money on unnecessary repairs. Its large color display and intuitive interface make navigation simple, even for beginners. One of the standout features of the FOXWELL NT604 Elite is its ability to access multiple systems beyond standard OBD2 code readers. It supports ABS and SRS diagnostics, allowing users to troubleshoot brake and airbag systems with confidence. Compact, durable, and easy to carry, the scanner is perfect for both garage use and on-the-go diagnostics. Whether you're maintaining your vehicle or diagnosing complex issues, the FOXWELL NT604 Elite delivers reliable performance and professional-level results. Number 3. The XTOOL Anyscan A30D OBD2 scanner diagnostic tool is a powerful and versatile diagnostic device designed for both professional mechanics and car enthusiasts. This wireless, bidirectional scan tool allows users to communicate directly with vehicle systems, enabling active tests that help pinpoint issues quickly and accurately. With its advanced OBD2 diagnostics, the A30D reads and clears trouble codes, displays live data streams, and provides detailed insights into your vehicle's performance. One of the standout features of the A30D is its 19 special reset functions, including crank sensor Relearn, EPB reset, Throttle Relearn, oil reset, SAS reset, and battery reset, making it a comprehensive maintenance solution. These functions allow users to perform essential service tasks without visiting a repair shop, saving both time and money. The scanner connects wirelessly via Bluetooth to your smartphone or tablet, delivering a smooth and user-friendly experience through the dedicated mobile app. Its compact design makes it easy to carry and convenient to use anywhere. Additionally, the lifetime free updates ensure the tool stays compatible with new vehicle models and the latest diagnostic features. Whether you're troubleshooting engine problems or performing routine maintenance, the XTOOL Anyscan 30D offers reliable performance and professional-grade capabilities in a compact, easy-to-use device. Number 4. The Launch CR529 OBD2 scanner diagnostic tool is a reliable and easy-to-use solution for car owners and professional technicians who want quick and accurate vehicle diagnostics. Designed to work with most OBD2 compatible vehicles, this powerful scanner helps you quickly identify the cause of the Check-Engine-Light and take the right action without costly visits to a repair shop. With its full OBD2 diagnostic capabilities, the Launch CR529 can read and clear trouble codes, view live data streams, check I/M readiness status, and monitor vehicle performance in real time. The device helps users detect engine issues early, saving both time and money on unnecessary repairs. The scanner features a clear display and user-friendly interface, making it simple for beginners and experienced users alike. Just plug it into your vehicle's OBD2 port and start diagnosing instantly. No batteries or complicated setup required. One of the standout benefits of the Launch CR529 is its free lifetime software updates, ensuring that the tool stays compatible with newer vehicle models and evolving diagnostic systems. In addition, it comes with 5 years of backup support, giving users peace of mind and long-term reliability. Compact, durable, and efficient, the Launch CR529 OBD2 scanner is an essential diagnostic tool for every car owner who wants smarter vehicle maintenance. Number 5. The ANCEL AD410 Enhanced OBD2 Scanner is a reliable and easy-to-use diagnostic tool designed to help drivers quickly identify vehicle issues. Built for both car owners and professional mechanics, this advanced OBDII scan tool reads and clears Check-Engine-Light codes in seconds, saving time and costly visits to the repair shop. Equipped with a clear LCD display and intuitive buttons, the AD410 allows users to view diagnostic trouble codes, DDCs, monitor real-time vehicle data, and access important information about engine performance. Its enhanced diagnostic capability supports full OBDII functions, including reading codes, clearing codes, viewing live data streams, and checking vehicle readiness status. The scanner is compatible with all OBDII-compliant vehicles, including most cars, SUVs, and light trucks manufactured from 1996 onward. With its plug-and-play design, there is no need for batteries or complicated setup. Simply connect it to the vehicle's OBDII port and start diagnosing immediately. Compact, durable, and highly efficient, the ANCEL AD410 OBD2 scanner is an essential automotive diagnostic tool that empowers drivers to understand and maintain their vehicles with confidence.